Hi, this is Rachel and Tabitha. She's my big helper today. She's 4. It's her first year of foundations, and we're going to demonstrate Pop Goes the Weasel and how you can easily play this song with any level of class. Keep in mind that we've done lots of singing and dancing to this song, so she knows the lyrics in her head as we're playing along, and you'll see how that helps her. You ready? Can you get into ready position? Let's turn your holes around so the holes are out. Ready? Here we go. Get ready. Ready, go. Good job. Now we're gonna wait. Ready, go. Beautiful tone. 2 more times. Ready, go. Ready, last time. Ready, go.
I did it all the time and was not screaming.
You did it. Tin whistle, high five. Boop.
Is this done?
It's done. Now push the button.